Hi guys, this is Nelson. When we arrived at the camp today, we saw that our camp had collapsed. As you can see, our crossbeam is broken. Of course, we expected that because the crossbeam was already rotten. Luckily, this week is school vacation, which means we have a whole week to rebuild our shelter. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to deconstruct our shelter so that we can recycle all the materials. What a day! We deconstructed the shelter, sorted everything in piles and cleared the area. We'll continue with this further tomorrow. Hi guys, and welcome to day 2 of the shelter rebuild. We've cleared the area and sorted everything out, but now we have to find a good crossbeam. On my way in, I spotted some fallen trees. Follow me. We've trimmed off all of the limbs, and now we're going to cut the log roughly about here. We're going to first cut underneath so that my saw doesn't get jammed. Here. This is coming along nicely. A little more. There we go. Oh my, this thing's heavy. Well, here we have our crossbeam. We're going to lash our crossbeam to our tree using a square lashing. Pull hard. The trick is, with your frapping, if you want to pull it really hard, just attach it to a stick. It really works, believe me. That's right. Good, our crossbeam is installed. Now we're going to trim off the end. Okay, here. The shelter that we're building is called the lean-to shelter. We've already installed the crossbeam, and now we're going to lean logs against it. Okay, I think that's enough wood. Now time for a spot of lunch. Now we're going to cover the back of the shelter with leaf litter. That's enough leaf litter for now. Time for a break. Let's see what I have on my sandwiches today. Good old cheese. The shelter is rebuilt and I've installed my woodsman's bed. I'm really happy to have a roof above my head again. Well, this was the video for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!